Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change country in the Google account. We start by opening the Google app, then click on our profile icon and then click on Google account or manage your Google account. After that, we will enter the personal information option. Next, we will go down to the Home option and click on it. Here we will be able to change our address and with it the country we want to select. Click Save to apply the changes and then Done to finish the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.